I don't even know where to start, you guys. I don't even know. I don't even know where to start, you guys. I don't even know how to do this intro. I never thought of making a video like this or even thought of coming back here. I came to the shooting range with my husband. Last time I was here, things didn't go well just because I got so scared with the noise and I ended up coming back to the car. But it's been about 7 years and I told them, well, let's go to the shooting range, Why not? Let's try it again. If you guys don't know me, I didn't grow up around guns at all. My father doesn't own a gun, but my husband, on the other hand, he likes all of this outdoor stuff, which is fine. I don't see it being wrong, obviously. If it's like, if I don't even know, I don't even trying to learn to how safely use a weapon just because I feel that you just never know, especially nowadays. You just never know. And I don't like guns. I'm going to start by saying that. I'm scared of them, maybe because I've never grew around them and the noise is just a little bit too much, especially with now in the world with, all this evil stuff or evil people that don't know how to handle guns. So that's why I'm here, to learn from my husband, because he's always told me to come and he'll show me. But the last time I came, I literally left crying to the car. So I am here. I am going to be brave and I'm going to get out. This is my intro, so come with me as I try to conquer my biggest fear, which is stepping foot into the shooting range again. I don't want people to know that I'm recording, so I'm just going to put you guys here. And I think it doesn't matter which way it goes, but I'm going to get off. I'm going to try and put my mic here. I'm still scared of the noise. It doesn't sound that bad. So, let's see. Alright, let's get off the car. Hi, baby girl.
Okay, get your finger off of it.
Okay, so let me show you.
Up and down.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go shoot the 22 next. The 22 is not loud at all, so I actually feel comfortable with
wherever you want,
it. I feel, but I'm not sure.
Find the target.
And these headphones things actually
keep your right eye open.
Out the noise. It's not as strong.
Keep your right eye
as
open.
I did. So we'll see. Okay. Hello, hello. Is it even recording?
Now, it's not loaded yet. You have to push the lever back up.
Hold on, let me record myself. Okay. 22.
Okay, focus. So put the lever back up. When it's,
This?
Yep. Now it's loaded and ready. Get your finger up there. Yeah.
Let me.
That's it. Now, down. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it hitting?
Yeah.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
I could do this all day with my eyes closed. Ha-ra-ta-ta-ta.
No, that one ran out.
I run
Okay.
out? Okay. Alright, I did it. I shot my 22.
I mean, this one is the same as that.
Y'all should be proud of me because 5 years ago this would not have ever happened. So yeah, we're
Papi, I
reloading
haven't
it.
done this one.
He's
Let me
reloading
make
it.
sure.
This one's
The 22 as well.
a 22. It looks like a little
Revolver.
revival,
Hold on.
but it's actually not that bad. And I'm proud of myself for doing this because I'm a big say no to guns. But my husband, on the other hand, doesn't mind guns, but I do. And it's actually really beautiful right now. It's green, the sky is blue, and the grass is really, really green. It looks nice. They actually have little like houses here at Five Dogs. These little tables with the little umbrella. You could bring your own chairs, obviously. We didn't bring that, probably next time. But it's pretty wide over here. You can see everybody shooting. Just shoot straight. And I think they have different areas where you can shoot. I'm not sure where. I just noticed they have a cross over there on top. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's right over there, I think. Right over there. There's actually some baby cows right there. So he's loading up the little 22s. These are tiny.
Yeah.
They're so tiny. These are super tiny and cute. But yeah, we'll see if I keep on shooting. I'll let you guys know.
One eternity later.
Like that? Just like una.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
I think one fell off.
Right here. Like 15.
Oh, 15? You had to do it one by one?
To feed them, yeah.
Actually, today's going way better than what I thought from last time. How big?
Yeah, it's not bad. This one's nice.
I know, because I think it doesn't have a kick. I think that's my biggest
That one
fear.
has a kick.
And obviously, not knowing how to use a weapon. But, and the noise. I don't, on the
Okay.
part that's
So this one you
dangerous.
just have to, it's ready, you just have to cock it, okay?
Okay. So go like that? Like that? See? Cock
Yeah,
it,
so-
you mean like that? You open and close?
No, right here. Yeah, up and down.
Okay.
So with this hand, put your 3 fingers there, break it down and up. Get your finger off the trigger, break, open it and close it. The flap. Yep. All the way? No, all the way. No.
And I just shoot at the target, like anywhere?
And you can shoot anywhere on top, just not to the side.
So I keep cocking it back and forth?
Yeah, and then down and up again. Yep, that's it. You can shoot a blue bucket.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys where I'm trying to shoot. It's that blue bucket. Oh my god, Javier's gun sounds so loud. Okay, I think that's it for today. For me, I don't think I'm gonna shoot any time soon here. I think we're gonna move to another range. So I don't think I'll record anymore, but yeah. I just want to say my final thoughts that is I'm proud of myself for doing this.
One eternity later.
Okay, we came to another side of Five Dogs, which is 22 LR. I don't know what that means. What's LR?
These. Long rifle.
Oh, What's mag?
It's a bigger round. That one you can't shoot here.
Okay, so we came to this little area where it says 22 LR. Shooting little range. As you can see, there's like little metal stuff. Um, I'm actually doing so good. I think the headphones things here helped a lot to cancel like the noise. Because last time I swear I was literally crying in the car. I was so scared of the noise. And I'm just gonna try and shoot a little bit more my 22. He actually bought me a handgun like years ago. Maybe it's been 10 years, 15 years. Yeah, since we've been married, almost 16 years, 15. Bought me a handgun, never used it, never wanted to learn how to use it. I'm not ready for that, but I'm starting off slow with a 22 LR range gun, whatever you call that. So yeah, let's do a little bit of shooting again. All right, we're in the little range again, and I'm gonna try to. I'm actually sitting down on a table, on a bench, and I'm gonna try and aim to those little metal things hanging. I think they're called like aim posts. I don't know. So I don't aim like you. All right, I think that's it for today. It's been real. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Several days later.
Buenos días, good morning. Ahora amanecimos en San Bernardino. Aquí estamos en la casa de los tíos de mi esposo. Y vamos a hacer, van a hacer cueritos. Les quiero enseñar las plantas que tiene. Tiene muchísimas plantas. He has so much like beautiful fruit trees and plants. And he has like a green thumb, okay? He sells plants on the weekends. And he gave us nopales, so our nopales are still giving till up to this date. We've had them for a couple years, but let me show you guys. So this is naranja. He said que es naranja para jugo. Yo pensé que eran limones. Más naranja. I guess he said that one's better for juicing. Se ve que no tiene semilla esa. Y luego acá está otro de naranja. Tiene muchas plantas. This is nothing. He has more like back there. I remember coming years ago donde tenía los nopales like way over there, and we took them to Bakersfield and they're actually blooming so much. ¿Eh? Oh no, estoy grabando las plantas.
Sí, está bien.
¿Está bien?
¿Quieres pasar para allá?
Oye.
Nomás que está.
So yeah, he has more plants over there. He said to go, but I'm gonna wait till it dries up. But he has so much. So many plants. Let's see. Oh, he has a cactus. Look. Este es un cactus? What is this? Este un cactus? Da pitayas. Da pitayas.
La verdad no sé. Pero sí hay que dan.
¿Sí?
Enfrente. Sí dan, pero chiquitas.
Oh, okay.
Sí se comen, son buenas. Ahí enfrente hay.
Look, he has snake plants.
Hay mucha pitaya. Sí, del más grueso, ¿no?
Desde órganos.
Sí, ándale, órganos.
Allá hay de ese enfrente.
Sí, es lo que le digo, se me figuró una que de los que están allá que dan pitayas.
Siéntese, tío.
Siéntese.
Bueno ese videíto.
Oh, mire, ¿quieres saludar?
A ver.
Diga hola.
¿A quién,
Saludo
¿A quién saludo? Hola.
a todos.
¿Cómo estamos? Saludos a todos.
Le voy a mandar el video ya que lo acabe.
Ok. Que estén bien. Saluditos.
Bueno.
Oh, okay.
Watch your shoes. Oh. I wonder what these are.
And then they used to have bunnies.
What is this one called? This, ask them this one. I like this one for the pool.
What is it?
I don't know. This one is really nice. I don't think you need to like do anything to it, right? It's just outside. It's huge. Este está bien para, es que quiero poner,
Ese sí está bonito, ese
¿verdad?
bonito, ey.
Como jungle,
Ey.
pero no creo que ocupa mucha agua, ¿verdad?
No, eso no.
Ask him if I could put it next to my pool. What, babe? Come on. This looks like a plant. I like these, like the big leaves. Oh, look at the baby lemons, Juju. These are oranges or lemon?
Son esos galletitos.
I got so much. Oh wait, I found lemons on the floor. Juju, you wanna go? Oh, you watch your step. You might slip.
No, lemon, mama.
He has so many plants. Amazing. Last time we were over here, we were like right there. These are like lemons? Probably, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the monstera.
Just,
Ooh, I like this one. This one's cute.
I know. I told my mom like, should I tell my deal what plant I'm gonna take? But I'm like, I probably won't even take care of it.
Well, I want big ones by the pool. I want him to tell us like what plants will be good at the pool, you know, by the pool.
I wish I need like
We're gonna eat albondigas. So good, huh, babe? What? Is that like a Coke Zero?
I think so. This is it.
One eternity later.
You're all eating pizza. Say hi, Genaro.
Hola, ¿cómo están?
Saluda a la gente. ¿Qué dice la gente?
Oh, ¿estás en vivo otra vez?
Sí.
Ah,
We're gonna send the video to Russia.
no, why Russia, man? Down there, right there in the right house.
They're at the right house.
Ahí están los limones